Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable or disable sound and vibration of keyboard in your device Samsung A04e. So if you want to do so, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable or disable typing sound in your device Samsung A04e.